iOS 16 is here. But before talking about any of the greatest feature that Apple announced in iOS 16, we need to check out how you will install iOS 16 on your device. But before jumping onto anything, you need to make sure of two things. First, you need to have a developer account. Second, you need to take a backup of your iPhone. Now that you have done that, let's jump into the video. To open developer beta, open Safari, go to developer.apple.com and tap on hamburger menu on the left. Tap on Discover and tap on iOS. Now tap on Download. Now this is where you will be asked to sign into your developer account. When prompted to do so, log in with your credentials. Tap on iOS 16 beta and tap on Install Profile. Now tap on Allow if you're prompted to allow any access. Tap on Close to close the second prompt and head to Settings. You should be prompted with a downloaded profile. If not, go to General, VPN and Device Management. Under Downloaded Profile, tap on iOS 16 Software Profile and tap on Install. Enter passcode, agree to terms and conditions by tapping on Install and tap on Install again. And you will be asked to restart your device. After restarting, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and now you will be prompted with iOS 16 Developer Beta. Tap on Download and Install, enter your iPhone's passcode, and let it do its thing. All of this installation might take some time, so hold your horses and just go with the flow. But that's not it. We are just getting started. We are getting our hands dirty on this piece of software, so make sure you subscribe to iGeeksBlog to know each and everything about iOS 16. My name is Yash and I'll see you in the next one.